Away with me, come, let's go away to be on a new adventure for two. We can fly across the ocean or take a train together. I don't care as long as it's beside you. Take a road trip in a car, we'll get lost and go too far. While on the beaches we will watch the sunrise. And if we've done there's all to do, I'll just sit and stare into your loving face, graced with those beautiful eyes. I have fallen madly in love. You're the only one I think the world of, and I will stay true. Cause you got it, you got it, you got my heart. And I know together we'll be forever, never will part. You got it, you got it, you got my heart. The first time I saw you, right then you had me right from the
This is your dog. This is your life. And this is your life with your pet made a whole lot easier with Wayzn, a device that converts your sliding back door into a secure app-controlled pet door. So while mom's at work and dad's, well, busy, Wayzn puts the power of using the sliding door into the paws of your pets. No more expensive sitters, no more interruptions, no more accidents in the house, no more worries. Traditional pet doors are ugly, cause permanent damage, and are a serious security hazard. Wayzn just takes 3 minutes to install your sliding door, working with all standard sizes and styles. No damage, no costly professional installation, no eyesore. And it acts as a secure lock to your home, easily disappearing whenever you need it to. Wayzn detects your pet at the door and sends you a notification so you can let them in or out. And when you're at home, you have the auto open option, doing the work for you. Wayzn even works with your smart speakers and cameras like Alexa and Nest. So when you're away, you'll see when your pet's ready to come back in on your mobile device. When your hands are tied, you can use your smart speaker to open the door. Locked out? No need for a hide-a-key. Wayzn allows you to get into your home with your smartphone. Wayzn's safe, affordable, and secure, keeping your day's schedule on track while bringing freedom to you and your pet. Learn more today at Wayzn.com.
Talia, and if you're like me, you love your pet. They're your special friend. You spend time together, you have fun together, and you create new memories. But sometimes your pets can be a handful. They can make a mess, wander in places which are not hygienic, damage your home or your belongings, or even put your loved one at risk. But imagine if there was a way to know where your pet was all the time, even when you can't watch them. Petguard monitors your pets all the time and warns you whenever they enter an area where they shouldn't be, so you can remove them before damage is done and train them to do what's best. Simply place sentinels near trouble spots around your home and attach tags to your pet collars. Using the companion app, choose which areas of your home you want to protect from specific pets. You can even change the size of those areas. If a pet wanders somewhere they shouldn't, an instant alarm lets you know it's time to intervene. Complete peace of mind has never been so simple. You can even set a schedule so that Petguard automatically switches from audible to an ultrasonic alarm that only your pet can hear. The ultrasonic alarm discourages them from staying where they shouldn't be. That way, Petguard keeps working even while you sleep. As pet owners, we know that a key factor in achieving dependable good behaviour in pets is consistency. The real power of Petguard is the consistency it provides. By always knowing when your pet enters an area, you can train them. You can also view a history of where your pets have been and how often, so you can see their improvement over time. Best of all, Petguard is completely safe. It uses no harsh chemicals and won't harm your pet in any way. So it's a loving way to help monitor and train your pet. Petguard is built from the ground up on innovative, modern technology. It's able to accurately measure distances between a sentinel and a pet tag within a few centimetres. It's currently a fully working system that is being tested and verified. All that's left to do is add a few final features and gear up for production. But to do this, we need your help. By buying this Petguard now, you will not only be one of the first people to get this unique product, but you will also be supporting this campaign. So go ahead, get your Petguard now and get peace of mind. Know where your pet is even when you can't watch them, and train them to do what's best. That way, you both can spend the time together doing the things you both love.